Hey there, design enthusiasts. Today, I want to dive into an exciting development in the world of additive manufacturing, specifically the opening of Milan's first permanent hub dedicated to robotic large-format additive manufacturing, LFAM, applied to design. Now, this isn't just any hub, it's a game-changer for the design community, bringing together three powerful players, Designtech, Caracol, and Lamáquina. Let's explore why this collaboration is so significant and what it means for the future of design and manufacturing. First things first, what is LFAM? Well, it's a fancy way of saying large-scale 3D printing using advanced robotics. And it's not just about printing, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in design and production. Now, when you combine LFAM with the design community, you get a powerful fusion of creativity and technology. And that's exactly what this hub aims to achieve. Designtech, as Milan's primary hub for design, furniture, architecture, and construction, is all about connecting creative professionals with the tools and expertise they need to turn bold ideas into tangible products and built environments. And now, with the addition of LFAM, they're taking it to the next level. By partnering with Caracol and Lamáquina, Designtech is bringing together innovation infrastructure, industrial-grade advanced manufacturing technology, and design fabrication expertise. Caracol, the technological enabler, is bringing its Heron AM platform to the table. This platform can produce large-scale unreinforced and fiber-reinforced thermoplastic parts using sustainable and recycled materials. But it's not just about the hardware. Caracol is also deploying its IDOS manufacturing software, materials, and process know-how, ensuring that the system operates at industrial quality. For the design community, this means gaining real, facilitated access to production capabilities previously confined to industrial manufacturers. Lamáquina, on the other hand, brings the production know-how and culture that turns large-scale robotic 3D printing into a genuine design tool. With expertise in computational design, robotic programming, and material research, Lamáquina guides projects from concept to finished piece, featuring an international portfolio spanning museums, restaurants, fashion stores, exhibition centers, and cultural institutions. So, what does this mean for the future of design? Well, it's all about pushing the boundaries of what can be produced. Now, one thing that immediately stands out is the potential for sustainable and innovative design. With LFAM, designers can create large-scale, unreinforced, and fiber-reinforced thermoplastic parts using recycled materials. This not only reduces waste but also opens up new possibilities for eco-friendly design. And let's not forget the impact on the manufacturing process. By bringing together innovation infrastructure, industrial-grade advanced manufacturing technology, and design fabrication expertise, this hub is revolutionizing the way products are made. But it's not just about the technical aspects, it's also about the cultural impact. By expanding the culture and know-how around large-format robotic fabrication across Italy's design and manufacturing community, this hub is fostering a new generation of designers and manufacturers who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And that's what makes this collaboration so exciting. It's not just about the technology, it's about the people and the culture that are driving innovation forward. In my opinion, this hub is a game-changer for the design community. It's not just about the technology, it's about the people and the culture that are driving innovation forward. And as we look to the future, I can't help but wonder what other exciting developments are on the horizon. Will we see more sustainable and innovative designs? Will we see new materials and processes that push the boundaries of what's possible? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the future of design is looking bright, and this hub is playing a pivotal role in making it happen. So, there you have it, folks. The opening of Milan's first permanent hub for robotic large-format additive manufacturing applied to design is a major milestone for the design community. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.